In today's video, I'm going to show you an unlimited traffic source hack that I've been using for the past couple of weeks to promote affiliate links. And as you can see right here in my Warrior Plus account, I was able to make over $3,500 last month using this. But if I'm going to switch to this month, you can see I already made over $1,200 with this exact method I'm about to show you. And as you can see right here, today it's only February the 10th. So just in 10 days, I made over $1,200. Obviously, not every single day was that good. You can see I had better days where I made almost $170. Then I had worse days when I didn't even make $100. But in the end, it evens around at $120 for every single day. And in today's video, I'm going to show you precisely how to set the same method up using completely free tools with zero investment. And actually, I'm going to give you one of the best selling niches right now that is selling very well right now. So you can watch this video until the end, then just go right ahead and put it to action and start making money with this method too. Now I gotta say, this is not a get rich quick scheme. This will actually take a couple of days before you start making any money with it, but if you dedicate just a couple of minutes to this every single day, you can start making around $120 just as well. And for showing you this all completely for free, I just kindly like to ask you to make sure you hit the like button under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm, and also to never miss out on any of my future uploads, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell as well. So as soon as I release a brand new money making video, I can notify you immediately and you get to watch it right away. Now what you want to do first, if you're going to follow this exactly how I'm going to show you, obviously you can make a small variations if you like, but I'm going to give you the rough skeleton how to get unlimited traffic for any affiliate marketing niche. So even if you are a complete beginner, you can follow this through and make some money at the end of the day. So just go to PDF Drive, and what you want to do is actually search for something that you can give away for free. So go to the search bar, and I'm going to show you how to do this with weight loss and fitness niche. So just go to the search bar and type in weight loss and fitness, hit search, and what you want to do is actually pick one of these free ebooks that are on PDF Drive. Pick a ebook that has something to do with weight loss, for example a workout guide or diet guide or something that fits in this niche. For example, let's go with this dumbbell workout handbook right here. If you're going to open it up, simply just click on download right here, and then just simply select download it as a PDF. Now if you open it up, you can see this is a high quality workout guidebook that has also high quality images and a well constructed text, and all of this is going to serve very well because what we want to do here is actually provide value for people first who are looking to lose weight. So we are going to give them this free ebook, and to actually be able to share this with anybody, go to this site right here that's called docdroid.net. Just go to Docdroid and click on upload PDF up, then just simply select the ebook you have downloaded and make sure you save this link somewhere where you will be able to access it later. Just go ahead and copy it, then just go to Notepad and paste it so you can grab it a little bit later, and we are going to be actually needing it. Now the next site we're going to be using is called getresponse.com. Just go to GetResponse, and if you're new here, just sign up for your free account, and if you have been before and did that already, just click on login. And once you get inside your account, what you want to do is actually a couple of things. The first of which is go to this contact section right here, and you need to create a new contact list. As you can see, one will be created for you by default once you sign up, but we don't want to be using that one because you want to actually be able to tell the contact lists apart. So just go to this part right here, click on create a list, then just go ahead and name it something like get fit before summer, click on create. Okay, that should be it. Then just go to this tools section right here, and what you want to do is select a landing pages. We're going to be creating a simple landing page that we can use to get people's email addresses. So to do that, just click on create a landing page, and if you want, you can use any of these pre-made templates that are right here. If you want to customize something that's already here, just go ahead, but I'm going to show you how to do this from scratch. So just go to this build from scratch section and click on show templates and select, for example, the easiest one, so it's this one right here, and then name it the same thing that you used for your contact lists, get fit before summer. Okay, then just click on next step. Then you get to this simple editor right here, and you need to do a couple of things actually. Go ahead and change this title into something like get our free ebook right now. Change the title to something like this, then just go ahead and change this part to something like enter your best email to receive a free copy of our fitness ebook. Then just go to this download button, and you want to rename it into send me the free ebook now. Then I'm just going to go ahead and change the color of this button. I'm not a huge fan of this greenish, it really doesn't stand out that well. I'm just going to make it like this type of red or something like that. Okay, then what you want to do is just go ahead and get rid of these elements right here. You will not be needing them, but we need a something to place as a background for the simple landing page because you don't want to leave it as blank as it is right now. This is not very enticing. So what you want to do is just go to Pexels or any other free stock footage website that you may want to use, and in the search bar look for fitness, then hit enter, and now find a fitness photo that you want to use for your background. For example, if I'm going to scroll all the way down here, I'm looking at all these photos and I guess this one will work very well for the background. So I'm just going to click on download and save it to my computer. Go back to get response, then just go to this right section and select this image icon right here. It's going to place this stock default image that's preset by get response, but this is just pretty much like a placeholder. So just go ahead and stretch it so it's going to fit all over this landing page, something like this. And then just go to down here into this section and click replace. Then just simply click on upload files, choose a file that you downloaded from Pexels, then just add it to the site, and as you can see it's going to place it over everything else. Now to fix that, just go to this section and select this icon and it's going to place it behind. Just click it a couple of times so it's in the background, then just move it so only the part that you want to be visible is there. For example, let's make these dumbbells a little bit more pronounced, something like this. And also now I'm going to change the color of this title because it's not standing out very well against the background. So I'm just going to make it like let's try red, and also go ahead and make it a little bit larger, something like this, and I'm going to place it here. Now this is not a good fit. I'm going to try, let's try making it white. This looks well. Okay, then I'm going and now I'm going to also change the color of this gray background. So I'm just going to double click it, select this color, and let's make it, for example, let's make it bluish like that, and also change the opacity a little bit so you can see the dumbbells in the background. But now I can't see this text very well, so I'm just going to change that to white as well, and it should look something like this in the end. Now what you want to do is just go to this top section and also click on select thank you page, and you want to customize this a little bit as well. And this is pretty much how it's going to look like. Change the background image, change the text, get rid of the couple of elements, and this is pretty much all you need to do. Now just click on save right here, and you want to select next step, and now you get to this setting page. Now pretty much all you need to do here is just go down here to this section right here and select choose a list, and you want to select this list that you have created earlier, and then also make sure that this confirmed opt-in is turned off. You want this to be turned off, so that way to get to your contact list, all they need to do is just put in their email and select submit. And then just go down here and click on publish, and if you want you can view your landing page right here. It's going to look something like this. Then just go back to get response, and right here in the tools section, now we want to select autoresponders. We are going to create an email autoresponder so that as soon as somebody enters their email into this site right here, they're going to actually receive the free ebook that we have promised them earlier, the one we have uploaded on DarkWeb. Now to create the autoresponder, simply just press this button, and all you need to do again, just name it, get fit before summer or something like that. Then in this autoresponder settings, make sure this time delay is set to same time as a sign up time. For this method to work best, you don't want to put any delay between the sign up and the email. Just select this option. Then you just want to go down here, and in the subject line you want to write something like your free copy of our fitness ebook is here. Now you need to design the body of the email itself. For that, just simply click on design message right here. Up here select blank templates, and now just select one of these templates if you're going to customize this email with images as well. I'm just going to show you how to do this really quickly with a simple text email. So I'm just going to use this template right here. Then just simply go to this right side and drag this text box right into the mail. And now I'm just going to write a simple message that's going to go something like this. And then you just want to write a short email thanking them for checking out the free fitness ebook and also highlighting the importance of getting fit before summer. If you want, you can pause this video and copy this exact email. And if you don't want to be making this email yourself, just simply use ChatGPT to type it for you. Then what you want to do is go down to this section, and right here to access this fitness ebook, click the button below. Then just simply go to this section and place a button under all this text, something like this. And in this URL field, you want to post the link to your DarkWeb document. Just go to Notepad or back to DarkWeb, copy the link, paste it right there, and change the button text as well to something like get ebook now. So it's going to look something like this. Then just simply click on next, and you'll get back to the settings. Just scroll all the way down and click on save and publish. And once you finish all of that, it's going to work something like this. I'm going to show you in a couple of seconds how to get tons of traffic to the simple landing page right here. And once they are going to sign up using their name and email, for example, let's try it out. I will put in there Andy and use an email address, for example, something like this. Then just simply click on send me free ebook now. And once you actually open the email that you have put in there, or they're going to receive this email, they will get the option to click this button. They will be directed to this DarkWeb site, and they will get to download this book completely for free. But the best part about this is that because actually they sign up using their email address, if you go to this contact list right here, you can see their email address gets stored in your contact list. And once you get enough email addresses in your contact list, you can just simply go to Clickbank or any other affiliate marketplace, go to health and fitness section, and you can actually get affiliate link for some of these fitness products, and using email marketing, you can start promoting them to your contact list. But because they actually sign up for your contact list using their email address, and because they were looking for ways to get fit before summer, and because they received the free ebook that you have provided, they received free value, and if you offer them something else that they can buy for, they are that much more likely to buy it. Now, to actually get as many contacts as possible to the contact list right here, what you want to do is just simply copy link to this landing page and then go to any free mailer service. For example, I'm going to show you how to do this with Hercules.com. Just go to Hercules.com, log into your account or sign up for an account if you don't have one. Then once you log in, you just want to select a simple daily mailer. You can do that by pressing this button right here, submit daily email/web. Click on that, then just skip this ad right here. Then you will be taken to this site. Just scroll all the way down and use the form that's on the left. Don't use this one on the right because this is paid one. If you want to actually pay for your email ad, just go ahead, you can do that. But I'm going to show you how to do this completely for free. Just select the simple form, and what you want to write in the subject line is something like this. Get fit before summer. This is the last chance. Then just into this test URL field right here, you want to paste the link to your landing page, and then in the body of this email, you want to write something like this. You can just simply go to ChatGPT to generate a simple sales email promoting free ebook. That's what I used and it worked for me very well. And then what you want to do is just simply in this link section right here, you want to paste the link from the target URL again. And then also make sure you go ahead and sign using your name. Then just simply click on submit ad. And as you can see, your ad has been submitted to 1,000 people. So 1,000 people will receive link to this landing page, and some of them definitely are going to be interested in losing weight and getting fit before summer. They're going to sign up for the free ebook. That way you will get their email address into this contacts list that you have created on GetResponse, and you can start mailing them, promoting them affiliate products from Clickbank, from Digistore, or from any other affiliate marketplace that you want. Now, the actually best part about this is if you're going to create some of these landing pages for different niches, for example, for make money online, relationships advice, dating advice, archery, fishing, or any other niche that you can think of, you can get contacts to people that are actually interested in the niche. And if you're going to be promoting to them direct instead of just sending your affiliate link out there in the wild, you are that much more likely to make a sale. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how I was able to make over $120 a day promoting right affiliate offers to the right audience. And now you can do that as well too. Just go ahead, put this to work, make some money with it, and when you do, actually return to this video and do let me know down in the comments how much money you have made using this. Other than that, if you want to see another cool money making video, try checking out this one right here, and have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.